Hello, my students. How are you? Today we'll explain from Al-Moasser book, sheet number 1. Listen to me, second term. Okay, listen to me. Cognitive assessment or lesson 1, unit 7. First question shows the correct answer from those ones. 3 over 5 equivalent to what? We can find the image about this function by product by 2 up and down. Okay, numerator and numerator. Then 2 times 3 equals 6, so 2 times 5 equals 10. Then the result will be letter D here. Choose letter D about first question. Product by 2 up and down, numerator and numerator, to find the image of the solution here. Like this, we will product by 2 and here product by 2. 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 5 equals 10. And the answer will be letter D. Next question, the simplest form of 12 over 18. We can write the image of this number by divided by 6 up and down because 6 is the height factor between two numbers. 12 divided by 6 equals 2 and 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Then the answer will be B. The least common multiplication of two numerators 2 and 10. 10 can divide by 2. Then 10 is the least common multiplication between two numbers. Choose letter D. Okay. Next question. The two fractions, fifths and fourths, are equivalent. The two common denominator what? Look at here, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 here we called it relatively prime numbers because 4 and 5 the head common factor between them equal 1. Then 4 and 5 we can find the least common multiplication between them equal 20. Their product. 4 product by 5 equal 20. Okay, we called it the least common multiplication between two numbers. 4 times 5 equal 20. Then we can write 20 down is the first and 25 in the second. Ask it yourself. 5 times what equal 25 product by 4. Then 1 times 4 equal 4. 4 times 5 equal 20, then 1 times 5 equal 5. Then we have 4 over 20 and 5 over 20. Choose letter D. Understood? Next question down. Letter E. The least common multiplication of two denominator of the fractions, 8 and 3/4. Look at here. 8 can divide it by 4. Yes, 8 can divide it by 4. Then the least common multiplication between them equal 8. 8 is the least common multiplication. 5 over 15 and third, we can divide it by 5 up and down. Result will be 5 divided by 5 equal 1 and 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Then we have here equal 2 between two numbers. Question number 2 is the least common multiplication of two denominators 7 and 4. 7 and 4 we called it relatively prime numbers, because the height common factor between two numbers here equal 1. 7 and 4 can't divide by a number without 1. Okay, then least common multiplication between them equal their product. 4 product by 7. 4 product by 7 equal 28. The answer here equal 28. The colored part here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 parts from the total number equal 3 over 9. And then we can sample 3 divided by 3 equal 1. We have 1 part from 3 parts. 3 divided by 3 equal 1 and 9 divided by 3 equal 3. Then the answer here will be 1 over 3. The smallest like denominator of 6 and 4, who can tell me? 6 can't divide it by 4. Then 6 plus 6 equal 12. Then 12 is the least multiplication between 6 and 4. We can write here 12. Next question. The simplest form of 6 over 8 is we can divide it up and down by head common factor between two numbers. 6 and 8 can divide it by 2. Then 6 divided by 2 equal 3 and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Then the answer will be 3 over 4 in the simplest form. Next question down here. Imagine 8 half of pizza and some 8/3 of the same pizza. Write their fraction with like numerators. Okay, using visual models. Okay, we have 2 and 3. The least common multiplication between two denominator equal 2 times 3 equals 6. Then you can symbolize this fraction here by product up and down by 3. Okay, the first will be 2 times 3 equals 6 and 1 times 3 equal 3. Then we have 3 over 6. And here also 3 times 2 equals 6. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then we can draw a model like this, and divide it 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the colored here 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts. 3 parts here equivalent to half. We can draw it half. Half about this rectangle is equivalent. Then half equivalent to 3 over 6. Okay. 3 over 6 equal half. And 2 over 6, you can write third like this also. About 2-second solution here. We have here 2 over 6. We can divide 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, okay? 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can color 6 parts or 2 parts only. 2 parts here. And the simplest, by the model, we can divide it like this. About 3 parts. And the same. Then 1 over 3 equivalent to 2 over 6. And here 3 over 6 equivalent to half. You can use models here to find the answer. Letter B, a son spent 6 of salary for renting and 3/4 of his salary for eating and clothing. Raise the fraction right leg denominator. We have 6 and 4. The least common multiplication between two denominator here equal 12. Because 6 can be divided by 4, then 6 plus 6, 12. 12 is the least common multiplication. Then the first fraction here, 1 over 6, we can write here 12. 2 times 6, 12. 1 times 2 equal 2. And also 3 over 4, we can write here 4 by product by 3 up and down. 3 times 3, 9. And the result will be 9 over 12. And also here 2 over 12. Next page. Cognitive assessment number 2. First question here. We have question number 1. 1 subtracted by 3 over 4, we can find difference. We know 1 equal 4 forces. Then forces, the answer will be this question. Okay, I will raise the answer, but first question, 1 subtracted by 3 over 4, you can convert here 1 like denominator equal 4 over 4. Subtracted by 3/4, it will be 1 over 4. We can write product by 5. 5 times 7 is 35, then 5 times 5, 25, then the value of A equal 25. And the value of A here is 25. Next question, 6 over 7 plus 1 over 12. We can write the least common multiplication, 42. 42 can divide it by 7. Then can write 42 here because 42 can divide it by 7. Then the least common multiplication between two denominators is 42. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 6, 36. We have also 1 over 42. And then now we can collect together 36 plus 1 equals 37. Next question here, 1 over 6 plus 5 over 8. What about least common multiplication between two numbers? 8 can be divided by 6. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 can be divided by 6. And in 8 also 6. 8 also 8. Then 16 plus 6 plus 8 equals 24. Then the least common multiplication between two numbers here equal 24. Right, 24 about first and second 24. Okay? And then ask it yourself. 6 product by what equal 24? 6 times 3. 6 product by 3 equal 24. Then 1 times 3 equal 3. And then down, right here, 3 over 24 plus 2. 8 here convert to 24 by product by 3. 3 times 5 equal, again, right here 24 and here 24. 6 product by 4 equal 24. 6 product by what? Product by 4. Then we must product by 4 up. It will be 4 over 24. And then 8 convert to 24 by product by 3. 3 times 5 equal 15. Okay, we product up and down here by 3 and here up and down by 4. Because the least common multiplication between two numbers equal 24. Then we can collect 19, 15 plus 4 is 19. Then the answer will be 19 over 24. Now we can collect this part here. How many parts is here? This fraction 1, 2, 3, 3 over 4. And this part here we have one part colored from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can collect together by write the least common multiplication between 8 and 4. 8 can divide it by 4 here. Then you can write 4 down, write 8 down, convert this fraction here to 8, and here 8. 1 over 8, and here 2 times 4 equal 8, 2 times 3 equals 6. You can collect the answer will be 7 over 8. The answer will be 7 over 8. Now, the value of A in this expression, we can find the value. Here, E equals the difference between 1. 1 here is the median, and 6 over 7, we call the subtrahend. We can find the difference between two numbers by write the least common multiplication between two numbers. Convert 1 to 7 over 7, subtract by 6 over 7, write 1 and over 7 is the answer. You can eat together. We have like denominator 6. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2 equal 12. 12 divided by 6 equal 2. Next question down here, 4 over 5 subtract by 3 over 5. We have here difference denominator, saying you can find the least multiplication between 4 and 5 equal their product. 4 times 5 equal 20. Okay, right here 20 is the least common multiplication between two denominator. 4 times 5, 20. 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 times 4, 20. 3 times 4 is 12. Now I will write 20 down and 15 minus 12 equals 3. 3 over 20 is the answer. Choose letter E. 1 plus 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4. We can write 1 here as the least multiplication between the other fractions here. Right here, 4 times 5 is 20. Right, 20 here is the least multiplication between two denominator. 5 times 4 equal 20. Then 2 times 4 equal 8. We product up and down here by 4. Okay, product up and down by 4. And then 3 over 4 convert to 20. How? 4 times 5 equal 20. 3 times 5 is 15. Then we have whole number 1. And we can write 20 down here in the numerator. And 15 plus 8 equal 23. Then we can write the answer here, 23 over 20 equal 1 and the remainder 3. You can simplify here 1 plus. Convert this number. This number we call the improver. You can convert improver to mixed number because numerator greater than denominator. 23 divided by 20 equal 1 and the remainder 3. Now I will collect the whole numbers. 1 plus 1 equal 2. And we have 3 over 20 is the fraction behind it. Then we have 2 and 3 over 20. Next question, 5 over 8 plus 1 over 2 equal 1 plus what? We can collect the two numbers first, such that 5 over 8 plus 1 over 2 is equivalent to, we can write 8 is the least common multiplication between two fractions. 8 times 1 equal 8, 1 times 5, right? The same fraction, but 2 convert to 8 by product by 4. 1 times 4 equal 4. Now I will write the answer here, 8 down and 5 plus 4 equal 9. 9 over 8. 9 over 8, we can complete this number, convert. This number we call it improver. You can convert from improver to mixed number. 9 divided by 8 equal 1 and the remainder 1. Write 1 here and the remainder 1. Then the result will be 1 and 8. And the remainder will be 8. Choose 1 because he gave me 1 plus what? 1 plus 8. Choose letter E. Next question down here. Which fraction equal? Not equivalent. Not equivalent to 6 over 8. We know 6 over 8 we can divide it by 2 up and down. It will be 3 and 4. 3 and 4 equivalent. And also 30 over 40 by product by 10. And what about this number? If we product up and down by 2, not equivalent, choose 6. Because if we product here by 2, 2 times 6 is 12, and 2 times 8 equals 16, not 18. Then the not equivalent here equal 12 over 18. Next question here, 3 over 7 subtract by what? Equal 1 over 7. We have here like denominators, and you can write 7 down here in the denominator down, and 3 minus 1 equal 2. The result will be 2 over 7, letter C. Next question, k over 7 plus c over 14 equal 2 over 15 plus this number. Okay, we can solve this example, right? K over 7 plus 3 over 14 equivalent to the summation between two fractions here, it will be 5 over 14. Okay, we can write k over 7 is equivalent to what? What is the number here? 82. 3 over 14 equal 5 over 14. We can write here 2 over k over 7 will be 2 over 14. Okay, we can find the difference here between two numbers. Yes, we can find what is the difference between two fractions to find k over 7. Then 3 plus what equal 5, 3 plus 2. Then the value of k here will be what? K over 7 equivalent to 2 over 12. This fraction, we must put here 2 over 14. Because 2 over 14 plus 3 over 14 equal 5 over 14. Now I will exactly find the answer here. Think 7 convert by 14 by product by 2. Then k will be what? We have here product by 2 up and down. 2 times what equal 1? 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 times 1. Then the value of k equal 1. Or you can find the value of k by product, the extremes equal product of means. We can write k equals 7 product by 2 over 14. Then the value of k will be 1. And the value here equal 1 about this fraction, okay? The value of k 1. Next question here, I want to find the value of k about this fraction. 1 over 3 plus k equal the numbers. In the value of k, we can find the difference. 5 over 6 subtracted by 1 over 3. Now I will write the least multiplication between the numerator equals 6. 6 times 1 equals 6, not converts the same fraction. And 3 times 2 equals 6, 1 times 2 equals 2. Now I will find the difference between two numbers, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then I will simplify by divided up and down by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1, and 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Then the answer here will be 2. 1 over 2. Okay, understood?